Right, I'm just going to quickly do this door frame here. And I've got my bigger purdy brush as well as my sash brush for this job. I'm going to start and I'm going to do the top piece of this first. And I'm going to start by doing this section, and then I'm going to bring it out onto the top, and then I'm going to come down either side of that. Just cut it in with this sash brush. Any imperfections that are in here, I'll be filling and making good once we've got this first coat of acrylic primer on there. Everything just stands out a bit more with a coat of this stuff on. Makes life a little bit easier for spotting the imperfections. I'll tell you what I might do. I might just do this half and then do half of the frame coming down, so this video isn't too long. Otherwise it could be a bit of a monster. Always try and give these brush strokes a sort of, I try and keep them as long as I can. And what that actually does is it stops showing loads of brush marks in it, separate brush marks, which I personally think looks awful. Okay, so we'll stop there, and I'm going to go from here, a 4-inch purdy, bang, just lay it off. 3 different widths, finishing that lovely, and 1 right across the top. And I'm going to do the same when it comes to me coming down. What is that on there? It's like a glue. Just have to scrape that off. I don't want to paint that in. Scraper, where are you? There we go. Lovely. I'm going to roughly cut this in because I'll probably be putting a taped bead on there. So with a tester tape, I'll work it into it, and then like I said, the beauty of these sash brushes is pretty much a point and paint. You get it. Really good with one of these. Just cutting it in there nice and easy, makes life a lot easier. Like I said, I'll just do half of this so this video isn't too long. So I'm going to do that edge, just going to help it on its way under there. I'm going to come round to the architrave. I will be sealing this edge in as well, so there's no gap. I'll build up a filler just there, so get that off. Don't want any of that. Right down to the bottom of there. and this one we can bring onto the wall because we haven't got a coat of paint on this yet, and there is a reason for that which you will see in the videos after these. I'll just take this all the way down. I need to do this to obviously the whole frame, not just this bit. One brush stroke all the way down and taking the excess off the wall. And I'm going to do the pattern of the architrave just in here. Really working that paint into it. I'll do all my filling like I said afterwards. Right, I'll stop it on that bit because obviously I need to play catch up with the inside part of this frame. Again, this is a water-based product, this is not an oil. The working times are much, much less. Bang, there we go. One stroke all the way down. So you haven't got brush marks flying off here, there and everywhere. Much more professional. I would normally use a little mini roller for this, getting this on there, but I haven't actually got one set up. And to be fair, I can probably do this just as quick, and I can distribute the paint as evenly as I would with a roller as well. But rolling it is definitely an easier way of distributing your paint evenly with little experience of working with it. Okay, I'll go for the same. Try and get this done in 3 brush widths. 2, all the way down. 3. Minimalising the brush marks that are in there. I'd normally do all of this inside first and then come out and do this. I wouldn't normally do it in 2 stages like I have just now. Okay.